Hello everyone, welcome back to isams tutorial videos part 6. In this video, we're going to look into how ADT entries can be done in isams report card. To have the ADT's entries done in isams report card, you have to open the report wizard. Then here you need to select the report cycle. You know that our report cycle is year 10 progress report June 2022. No matter which subject you teach, the report cycle will be same for our session. So you need to choose this year 10 progress report June 2022. Now we have to open the subject ribbon. There you can see the report template with your subject name in the overview ribbon. Open that. Here you can see the subject report cards for different learning groups. So let me open an LG3CS here. Here, what you see on the screen are the individual report for each student. So let me open one among them. These are the ADT entries to be completed. You have option button here to choose A, D, or T for each of the skills mentioned here. Before marking the ADT entries, please make sure that all the values which we linked previously from the gradebook to the report cards are coming correctly here. So for each columns, the values are listed here, so you can match it with your gradebook to verify whether it is coming correctly. In this, the values for grade and attainment level are coming as values, not as a transposed element. So though you can match it with the correct range to make sure that it is coming correctly. After that, after verifying the values are correct, then you can start entering the ADT part. Here I have finished entering the ADT part of this student. Now you can see that at the end of the ADT entry, there is one more part to be filled, which is target grade. I hope you remember in the last video when we were linking the gradebook final columns to the report card columns, there were no target grades to be linked. That's why the target grade is included here. So from the option button here, you have to choose the target grade for the student, for this specific students based on that student's progress. Here I'm choosing grade A for this student. Now, after that, after once you finalize all the ADT's entries and target grade, now we have an options to choose or highlight whether it is complete or incomplete. This is just for our purpose. Like if I choose complete here and if I press save and close, you can see that that student's report part is shown in highlighted in green color, which is just a notification that this is complete. This report is complete. So if it is not complete, you can even choose incomplete here. So after that, if you want to go to the next students without closing this, you can press save and next. So now it is going to the next student, that is Fakir, where you can enter all the ADTs and target grades. So like this, you can do for all the students without closing and opening each report. So at the end, you can close the window. So that's how we do ADT entries for each student. I hope you understood it clearly. That's all. Thank you.